everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the Falcon 64 project. Today's video I got is I'm mounting the BulletPoint mounting solutions car charger. It can be a two phone holder. Later on I'm going to be using the other side for a reverse mount, or the back camera mount for my truck camper. So I've already opened up the box. I'm just going to kind of show it to you. It's an expensive mount. I'll say it's $100, but look at this thing. This thing is beautiful. Everything's metal, very well put together. The arms are carbon fiber, and the actual mount that holds the phone is all metal and spring loaded. Very nice quality stuff. So anyways, let's get this installation started. So they got it stepped off here. Step one, remove this rubber mat. So right now, step two is using the included trim panel removal tool. Carefully and gently remove the dash speaker cover. I don't have the speaker cover. All right, for me, it was a 938, I believe. Let me see. 932. Try this. I would say it'd be nice if they had some pictures. Oh, there we go. Whew. That was a pain in the butt. Oh, there's a third one. Now I see. All right. So y'all see what it does is it snaps down in there, and that tool, you're pushing on this, pushing it up and out. Anyways, that was a pain in the ass. It says temporarily place. Tool in the desired location. Temporary place base on the dash tray in the desired location. Oh, I can't read. Using a screwdriver or a punch, carefully mark the indented locations for the 4 holes. I am going to go get a punch and I'll take you with me. So I just kind of use the drill bit, mark where it goes. Now I'm gonna punch the holes through. See if they will. Do I need to go to the next size up, or exactly what's going on here with this? I do. They do give you 2 bits. One's the starter one, the next one's supposed to be to make it correct size going in. So now we mount back, make sure it all fits in there correctly with all the holes. As you can see, they do. So now, I'm gonna blow this out, clean that area. So there's a double-sided tape. So you remove the tape. That down in there, and then you just the washers go on the bottom. Just gonna get these all started before I proceed. Those two. And this should be the challenge. It's getting it down in there. Right there. Get a Phillips and see if I can't guide it in that way. the most easiest project. Somewhere where better light. Okay, to get those two screw bolts in place, I had to use needle nose pliers, push it there, get my fillet, push it down, and push it through the hole. Anyways, after that is pretty easy. I'm going to go grab a socket and tighten these up. Alrighty, got them all tightened in. It's ready to go back in place. So like before, we did have that wire that popped through here, and that, don't have that, they know what. Right there, it's right in there. These go in here. It's always the last one. That should just slide right in there, but it's not going to slide right there, so you got to figure out something with this. Obviously you couldn't sit this on top of this, because then your bracket would sit there and be stuck to this, not stuck to the main plastic piece. So I will probably end up cutting it out and sliding it up in there. But anyways, it's mounted. Definitely seems like good quality stuff. They do give you all the tools for it, and I will bring you back tomorrow or the next day when I mount my phone holder to it. So I'll bring you back then. Thank you. Bye. So on the rubber piece, I just measured 4 1/4 up and the width of my tape measure on both sides, and it cut it with the razor knife, nice and easy, filled in the spot. So I like it. I like it. Anyways, I'll bring you back when I put the other side on there. Again, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.
and I'll show the final product when it's all done. Have a good night.